This is Jesus shall reign where'er the sun. It's from Psalm 72 and it's the tune of Duke Street. Jesus shall reign where'er the sun does its successive journeys run. His kingdom spread from shore to shore, till moons shall wax and wane no more. To him shall endless prayer be made, and praises throng to crown his head. His name like sweet perfume shall rise with every morning sacrifice. People and realms of every tongue dwell on his love with sweetest song, and infant sweet voices shall proclaim verily blessings on his name. Blessings abound wherever he reigns. The prisoners lead to loose their chains. The weary find eternal rest, and all who suffer want are blessed. Let every creature rise and bring the